2025年6月16日、走行中のバスの車内で、一人の男が乗客に暴言を吐き、トラブルを起こしていた。やがて男は、止めに入った目の見えない女性に殴りかかり、さらに通報しようとしたバス運転手にも襲いかかる。乗客と運転手が負傷したとの通報を受け、警官たちはすぐに現場へ急行した。
Hey, sir. You alright? I got an ambulance coming to check you out. Can you see out of your left eye?
My left.
For the most part, you alright?
My head is like bruised here. I got a lump.
You got lumps all over, brother.
He was punching me around the glass. He took the glass out. It started with that lady there. Blind. He was punching her first.
Alright, I'm gonna check on her quick. I'll be right back with you. Hey, man. I know, I got an ambulance coming for you.
I'm okay.
Ma'am,
You just punched me in the face.
I'm a police officer. I'm gonna touch your forehead, okay? I just wanna move your hair. Okay. Alright, so you got some cuts on your face. You feeling dizzy, lightheaded, anything like that?
My mouth hurts. I think he knocked one of my teeth out.
Okay, can you open your mouth for me? Yeah, you do have a little blood in your mouth. Okay, I have an ambulance coming to talk to you, man. What happened?
There was a man sitting next to me, and all of a sudden, I heard him fussing at these two ladies in the back, calling them bitches and saying all kind of nasty things about them, and that made me angry, so I turned to him and told him to not do that, and then he just swung on me.
Okay. So you told him not to fuss at the ladies in the back, and he just hauled off and hit you?
I said, don't talk to her like that, and then he started yelling at me, and then he hit me, and then he went to go get off the bus, and the door was shut, so he started wailing on the driver. From my understanding, I didn't see that part because I'm blind, but I heard it.
I have an ambulance coming to talk to you. Just sit tight, okay? Did all y'all see this?
Yes.
Good deal. Do you mind hanging out for just a minute? I'm gonna have to talk to everyone if you're okay with it. You're not held here. If you guys want to leave, just let me know because I can talk to you really quick before I go. I got a lot to do before I go. I'm gonna have an ambulance to come check them both out first. Is anybody else injured?
No.
Nobody else is injured?
No.
Okay.
I was sitting right here.
Yep.
He jumped up right there where you sit there and kicked the devil out of me.
So you were sitting right here?
I was sitting right here. He jumped up and took his foot and he kicked me.
Kicked you? How many times did he kick you?
He kicked me about one time. He kicked me hard. Yeah, he kicked me. They said, you better shut the f up. I'll knock your ass out. He jumped up and grabbed the man off of him.
So you essentially saw him fussing at them. He jumps up and starts wailing on her. That's when you stepped in and grabbed him.
When he jumped over there in her face.
That's when he jumped up and grabbed me.
Yeah.
When he jumped up and started hitting her, was he hitting her with closed fists or could you see what was
He
going on?
brought me down. Bam, bam.
Yep, over
He
that.
went down.
What happened from your perspective?
Well, I saw him punching the lady right there, the blind lady. He was punching her in the face. I don't know what was going on, but she said something to him. And he came over and started punching her in the face, punching me out. And I'm watching this, so I got on the radio. He saw that I wouldn't open the doors. He wanted me to open the door. He was trying to get through the glass and couldn't, so he ripped the glass off.
So that was separating you from the passengers, right? And he pulled it and just started attacking you?
Yeah.
Physically? Was he, I know it sounds like a dumb question, was he hitting you with closed fists?
Yeah.
Punching, he just wanted to be let off, essentially? That's why he went to attacking you?
Yeah. And I was almost unconscious. I had to let him off.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because,
Is there any way we can start working on getting these cameras up? What'd this guy look like?
Okay, he had on tan hair pants, and a long sleeve shirt, like a long john shirt, and a blue cap.
And his hand said Savannah.
Yeah, he got gold in his mouth. But he real nasty.
He's a nice looking gentleman, but he got just something wrong.
Thank you, guys. Any y'all on the bus?
Yeah, we all go.
Good deal.
I'm sitting back here.
Yep.
I heard that little lady right there was saying he stepped on her foot or something. She kept saying, well, you could have said excuse me or something. So he kept on. So finally he started using profanity. And he stood up and he was cursing her. And he kept acting like he might was going to hit her or stuff. So, everybody's scared. So I didn't know that the other lady was blind who he hit. So he kept telling her to stay out of it. So finally she said one more thing and he just went to beating on her. So the driver, I thought maybe he was trying to hold him in there so y'all might come and catch him in there. So he got mad. He kept saying, open this door, open this door. He went back and he tore the whole thing. He just pulled the whole thing right back and was trying to pull him from out of there or whatever. Then we scared he might have a gun.
Yeah.
So finally when that door got open, he jumped out and ran.
So the driver is agbat. His eyes are swelling shut. This dude straight up tore the dividing partition off to physically attack him. He can shit out of a blind blind woman, lacerations all over her face, after physically assaulting another elderly female in here, was wrestled to the ground by the gentleman in the high visibility vest. Driver tried to keep the guy on the bus so we could get here and take him into custody. And that's when the dude just ripped the partition off and went to town. He was like, I was losing consciousness, so I finally just let him out. I gotta get pictures of him. If you could work with Kat on getting video footage, if you could talk to female in the black here and the blue right here, that'd be
Alright, I'll get their statements, I'll get their information, I'll do supplemental, okay?
Do you mind if I grab a picture of your face to document your injuries, if you don't mind? Is that okay?
That's what you have to do.
I do. You're pretty busted up.
Are y'all working on getting camera footage?
Yeah, we're calling the safety manager because he can get it immediately.
Do you mind if I take some photographs of your injuries?
Yeah, but can I go somewhere else?
Yes. Where do you want to go?
Anywhere?
Do you want to go sit at the rear of my car, away from everyone?
Yes,
We can
please.
bring you out there. You may want to go the other way. You got broken glass on the ground over here.
I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, I hope you'll be all right. God bless you for holding me. Yeah, God bless you.
警察が容疑者について可能な限り情報を集めている一方で、彼らはまだ知らなかった。その男がわずか数ブロック先の近くに潜んでいること。
Everyone's out here looking for him, so what did you see? What happened?
He's starting to beating the white lady. Can't stop bleeding, and I gave her a lot of napkin. I'm sorry, is that normal?
No.
Okay.
Not normal.
That's scary.
This would be my first. I've been here 5 years.
That's really scary because blood everywhere.
I'm all bloody, you know. I'm
Here?
gonna get blood on stuff.
You're okay. My main concern is if you want to be more comfortable back here, that's fine with me. I'm going to go ahead and turn up the air for you. I'm not going to shut you in. I know it gets a little claustrophobic back here. How you doing, man?
All right. Thank you for coming.
Sorry I wasn't sooner, but
Yeah.
thank you for sticking around and taking care of her. I still have ambulances coming for you both. Do you mind if I photograph your injuries now?
Sure.
Any point did you feel like you were going to lose consciousness?
I don't know. It was kind of a blur when she started hitting me, but I didn't fall down or anything.
Okay. You have a pretty good laceration right below your left eye. This is going to sound like a real dumb question. If we can find them, do you want to press charges or battery?
I don't know. I don't think so. The other people said it seemed like he was on drugs or having a mental health issue. I don't know. I don't really feel like that's going to help anybody.
Okay. So this is what I'll tell you, is if you don't want to press charges and they don't want to press charges, he's probably not going to get arrested. If you do want to press charges, it's not something that's going to require you to go to court all the time or do anything like that. We handle that.
He attacked the bus driver, and that's unsafe for everyone.
Absolutely. He severely injured the bus driver, okay? And he could have severely injured you more so than you are, or injured other people on that bus. And regardless of drugs or mental health, there's a way we have to act in public. And usually arrest is in the first step in getting some of that help.
Well, I won't be able to ID him, but if everyone else can, then I would consider pressing charges. I don't really know how any of this works.
There's no pressure at all. Right now, my main concern is I want to get you medically cared for. Again, you're free to leave at any point if you say, bring me home. I don't want to talk to you guys anymore. I'll do that, okay? We're probably going to have a detective come out and investigate this one because the bus driver's pretty injured.
I like him. I know him. He drives me home every
So
day.
he seems like a very nice guy. Seems like he was looking out for you and everyone on the bus was trying to look out for each other. Are you okay with waiting back here for just a minute? I'll come back and check on you, okay?
Yeah, I'm good. You've been very kind. Just so you guys know, I can't see a daggum thing.
I know, you're good. Hang tight. I'll leave this door open for you.
警察は襲撃の瞬間を捉えた監視カメラ映像を入手した。映像には容疑者が高齢女性に向かって怒鳴り、顔を近づけて威圧する様子が映っていた。その直後、目の見えない女性が容疑者に何かを言う。すると容疑者はまるで今にも暴行を加えるかのように素早く彼女の目の前まで詰め寄った。女性は身を守ろうと立ち上がったが、容疑者は彼女を何度も殴り始める。その後、反射ベストを着た男性が容疑者に飛びかかり、取り押さえるようにしてバス前方、運転手の近くまで連れて行った。そこで容疑者は、バス運転手が無線で警察に通報していることに気づく。そしてバスから逃げるため、運転手にドアを開けさせようとした。しかし運転手が拒否すると、容疑者はガラスの仕切りを引っ張り、隙間から手を伸ばして、無理やりドアを開けさせようとする。そして容疑者は、ついにガラスの仕切りを完全に破壊。そのまま運転手に襲いかかり、10回にわたって拳で殴りつけた。運転手は後に意識を失いかけていたと話しており、最終的に容疑者の要求に従わざるを得なかった。その後、容疑者は現場から逃走する。そして数ブロック離れた場所で、警官が容疑者を発見したが、彼は素直に罪を認めようとはしなかった。
Listen, I've been cool with you, man. I'm gonna ask you to stand up, though. Turn around, put your hands behind your back real quick.
What I did?
We gotta figure some things out, okay?
What for what?
We got a call that came down. Description very well matches you. It probably isn't you, but we have to figure some stuff out. So
Man, listen, bro, I just walked up here. I didn't do shit.
up from where?
I just walked up here from this way. It got me to
I got you. I've seen like about 4 other guys wearing beige. So we're gonna be a quick 1-2, figure it out, and then we'll be done, man.
Figure it out, man. I mean, I just had to stand up with my hand behind my back. I ain't do nothing.
I got you, but that's why we got to figure it out. So it's just gonna be a brief detention, all right, man?
I didn't do nothing. So why you put your hands on me, man?
Listen,
I didn't do nothing, man. I just walked up here.
Here's how it's gonna happen. I'm asking you.
I didn't do nothing. So what you asking me?
Can I say something?
Sure.
So how can, if you say y'all seen other guys with baby description,
They're being stopped as well. They ain't the only. He ain't the only one.
Well, I ain't seen nobody stop but me. That's not about to happen.
I understand that, but dude, we have a job we have to do. Okay?
You have a job, but I didn't do nothing, man. So what you mean? I got to put my hand behind my back until you figure something out. Go ahead and figure it out.
That's how this works.
It's not how it works.
We got.
I just walked up.
Proper description.
and
How you know it's me?
Well, I didn't say it was you.
So what the f you talking about putting my hand behind my back for?
Listen, brother. Yeah, just calm down.
I am calm, but you can't now.
I got you. So
I didn't do nothing. I just walked up here. I just walked up here.
I got you.
33 Alpha 1.
Like I said, I'm asking you nicely to help us out to make the
Nah,
situation
I'm not
go.
helping you out.
33
I didn't
Alpha
do
1.
nothing.
You're going to be out with who?
So again, what happens when I ask and it doesn't happen? Like you don't help us out here, right? We're gonna have to use force.
Use force? You mean you gonna use force?
Like I'm saying,
dude, he got to do.
we're trying to figure out an incident.
And you gonna have to figure it out. But it ain't got nothing to do with me. So you have to figure it out.
Like I'm saying, we're going to briefly detain you.
You ain't about to briefly detain shit, because I didn't do shit. So that's not about to happen. You're not about to briefly detain nothing, man. Because I didn't do nothing. I just walked up
Like
here.
I said, man, I'm giving you a lot of chances.
You ain't giving me no chances, man. How you giving me some chances? I just walked up here, you gonna tell me to put my hands behind my back for nothing? Man, f you. Ain't put my hand behind my back for nothing. I ain't do shit. What? I ain't do shit. So what the hell are you talking about?
I don't want to do this, but
man, I'm not putting my hand behind my back
is,
on shit. I didn't do shit, nigga. The f you talking about, nigga?
When y'all detain what y'all gonna do?
You ain't about to stand. Nah, ain't no, he ain't gotta stand. Nothing.
I'm trying to figure it out.
You ain't gotta be part of nothing.
Hey.
Hey man, don't run up on me. I ain't do shit.
I was just trying to inform you that 36 and 33 is out with that subject.
The right hand.
36 Alpha 1. Start me another unit down here and possibly a supervisor for use of force.
Man, yeah, see supervisor. Cause I ain't even.
I'll be in round.
I just walked up here. And you gonna grab me and tell me I'm under arrest for nothing?
He's good. He's good.
Hey man, you gonna get
Just let
off me, man?
I got this. Switch.
I'm asking you one more time to get off me.
Okay. Lift your leg.
We got him detained.
Did you get off the cat bus after getting out of Gateway? Okay. Well, like I said, we're trying to figure it out, and you being aggressive towards us.
Aggressive.
When I'm asking you to do simple things, you just walked up here from where?
From the damn I don't fucking know.
How'd your hands get all torn up?
I just came up here. I ain't do nothing. I just walked up here. They pulled up saying I fit the description or something. I just walked up here.
You want to set him up?
Come on, brother. Set up for me. Why do you have to do this?
I ain't do shit. What the f you talking about?
Why didn't
bro?
you just like listen when I was talking to you about what we were
bro, how
doing?
you gonna pull up on me and tell me I fit the description on something? I just walked up there.
You think I would just make that up?
容疑者はその後、警官による実力行使を受けたため病院へ搬送された。しかし病院でも彼が協力的になることはなかった。
Let's go. I'm ready to go.
Jump in, broken, and get knocked out.
I never get knocked out. Okay. Never.
Sit down, dude.
Never. Never. Talking about
In the car.
You doing all that with that bag with the cuff on me. You won't never do this cuff on me. I promise you that.
Do it either way.
Light it out, whoop your ass, though. Yeah, I'll never get knocked out. Never.
逮捕された容疑者は40歳のブランドン・コリア。彼には2002年まで遡る長い犯罪歴があり、チャタム郡だけで43件の逮捕歴があった。さらに今回の事件の数ヶ月前にも、酒瓶を武器のように使って人々を脅し、駆けつけた警官たちとも揉み合いになっていた。しかし彼は保釈され、再び社会に戻されていた。今回のバス襲撃事件を受け、地元では大きな怒りが広がり、バス会社側も安全対策の見直しや新たな安全シールドの導入を進めることになった。また、ブランドンの乗車権限は無期限で停止された。その後、ブランドンはバス襲撃事件と過去の酒瓶の事件について司法取引に応じ、過重傷害、過重暴行、障害者または高齢者への搾取及び脅迫、器物損壊、公務執行妨害、脅迫などについて有罪を認めた。判決は、懲役10年と保護観察10年、さらに常習犯として扱われたため、服役期間中は仮釈放の資格がない。被害者たちはどちらも命は助かったものの、顔に深刻で外見に残るほどの怪我を負った。また、女性の歯は複数本、欠けたり折れたりしていたと見られている。